Back at it again with your boy. And you see, look at my word. Look at my word. Hey, hey. But you know what the video about. You seen the thumbnail. So let's get straight to it. Alright? Well, part of it anyway. Got some couple runs I'm gonna make. Y'all gonna be with me for the whole process today. But here you go. Boom. Got my goddamn rollers, baby. Y'all see this? This is carbon fiber. Hold on. So focus. Carbon fiber ceramic performance. Like these is really good. Like no brake noise. No brake noise. No brake goddamn dust. I hate brake dust. Oh, let's lower these motherfuckers. Heaven motherfucker too. Truth. And what else do we got here? Hold on. Shit. Look at the process I had to look. How many boxes this came in? There's one box, right? Boom. Okay, bear with me. I'm trying hard to hold the phone. There's two boxes, right? Oh, no, eight. Look, three goddamn boxes. Look at that. Look at this shit. Oh, shit. This shit heavy as a motherfucker. This shit heavy. Y'all think I'm joking? This motherfucker heavy. Let's put that in there. Whew. Now, the only worry, look, I love this. They look good. They look good, and let's see. I want to see if they stopping power a lot better than what I'm getting now. I'm gonna find out. But I love this, and this I should say real front passenger side. So I hope when they put this on, I'm gonna check behind them too. I'm gonna check behind them. Okay, so real passenger side. So. Yeah. So it goes like this. Okay. So the drill hose must go with the roll. Okay, go with the roll. Go. All right. So let's just remember that. So they put the motherfucker on wrong. You're going back and do it over, brother. You're going back and do it over. Yeah, that's just the back. Now in front. Hold on, I told her to take this shit off. Now in front. Hold on 1 second. Boom, back at it again. Man, the front had the same, pretty much the same process. Oh, they goddamn boxes. Matter of fact, hold on. Damn it, that was the front. So, I'm alright. I feel a lot better now. Because I don't know why I thought that was the back. Alright. I feel a lot better. I'm like, God damn, my back damn roll is bigger than that motherfucker. But yeah. So, it's a rear passenger side. That one just say front. My bad. I thought it was the, I don't know what I was thinking. Got that on front and back the whole time. See, this one is heavy, but it ain't as heavy as the front. But it's hell heavy. So, yeah, we gonna see what's going on. Gonna definitely install these. So, next time you see me, I should be at the tint shop. On my way to the tint shop. Let y'all know what's going on. Whole process. Alright, yes. Alright, told y'all I'd be back at the tint shop. Look at my hair. I didn't even brush my hair, didn't want to, none of that. But back at the tint shop. Back at the tint shop right now. I just found out this guy, I was actually about to leave here and head somewhere to do my muffler delete. But boom. That guy right there got the truck up right there. He does it. Wow, one stop for all. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna pretty much try to wait around here and see what he can do mine. So yeah, that's my goal. That is my goal. So I don't have to leave here and go nowhere and do another tent word for it because he pretty much can do everything right here. That was amazing. I just seen that. Yes. I need that. So I gotta add this stuff up now, you know what I'm saying? Whew. Yeah, I gotta leave here. See, if I do that, I can just leave here, go to the Sprint store. Yeah, I'm getting on the phone. Y'all can see me unboxing that. That's gonna be a whole nother video. Alright? Boom. Oh shoot, I ain't gonna unbox it. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna have to get a little video sent to my email. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yes, sir. I'll let y'all in a minute when the tint get done. Let y'all know what we're doing for that one. Oh, excuse me. March 7th. Tomorrow, going down to Texas. And you can see people getting this stuff right. I ain't gonna be there, unfortunately. I think I heard speculation Tall Guy and Organic gonna be there. So if they be there, you know, they be like big YouTuber guys, so that's real big. Him and Life, of course, he gonna be there. Demonology, SRT Bree. I think she headed down to Atlanta tonight. Well, she probably on the road right now. She trying to be there tomorrow. From Atlanta, she headed there today. I think it's like 6, 7, what is it, 12, 13 hours from 12, 13 hours or something like that from I don't know if she was having car problems or what, or she got her car right, but I'm pretty sure she got it right by now. Alright, but that's it for that. For right this second. Hit y'all back when the tint get done. And this muffler delete thing, baby. Feel weird seeing your car drive well. That tint don't look good though. The guys thought I was trying to come on back in the building. Yeah. That's me though. Y'all seen what my car sounded like before, and you can about to see what it sounds like. Boom. Look at that tent. That's what I did yesterday. So I can give y'all the footage, but I'm gonna give you today. But can y'all guess what percent of tint that is? So you can kind of see in it a little bit, but I like that. You can't really see in it, but you can see in it. So it's legal, like they won't pull you over for this, for real. But the back do look, Oh shoot, and I put my drill slider rollers on. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give y'all this cold start, man. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, I love that, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, damn, that thing loud. Yes, but it is cold out here. I ain't gonna show y'all my face because I'm cold. Alright, on to the next clip. Alright, swipe. I am now getting my. Y'all seen the thumbnail? That's what I'm doing. Get my slided rotors on. Hopefully that helps with performance and all the other stuff that comes with it too. So yeah, as y'all can see, it's cloudy. The sun ain't out. The sun ain't out, not a bit, but it is what it is. It's kind of windy, so I'm gonna take a little walk around. I mean, it's actually at the dealership. This place right here, that's actually sell all these cars right there. 15 down. That Honda nasty. Let's see what percent this tank got, man. Man, he got a flat tire on this thing, bro. This got to be 20%. Not flat tire right there, but I'm pretty sure they'll pump it up, fix it. However you want it. When it's time to sell this car. When it's time to sell this car, they will fix it. For sure, man. Got some new stuff coming to the channel too. So Oh yeah, I gotta go pick this phone up when I leave here. That's what I gotta do. Pick this phone up. And after that, play with it for a little bit. Probably get ready for work. Gotta go to the second job. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. How this thing sound and looks when I get done. All right. And guess what? I'm broke now, baby. There ain't no more coming to China today. Ain't no more coming to China. What is this? I like the Pontiac too. And this tint can't be elite. See, I was gonna go with this percent. I think I do got this percent tint on my car. I think I do. I was gonna go with that. Then that gotta be 20 right there. Well, yes sir. So stay tuned. Holla at your boy. And I'm out. Yes sir.